How to see friends activity on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can see friends activity on Instagram. So without any further delays, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Instagram application and make sure you are logged in with your account. After that, land on your home page by tapping on the home icon from the bottom left corner. Once on your home page in Instagram, there is no any direct option that allow you to see your friends activity, but there are some indirect method. So first of all, once you scroll your home page, and if one of your friends have liked this specific post, it's gonna notify right below this post saying that your friend have liked this post. So that was the first method. And the second option is that if you navigate to your top right corner, there is a small heart icon. If you tap on it, you will land in your notification page, that basically your activity page. And under this page, you will be able to find all of the activities that your friends have been to. If someone have liked any post, it's gonna notify right here, or if someone is following you, it's gonna be loaded in this page. So that's the way to see friends activity on Instagram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.